Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the GMC, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2005 GMC Sierra, the SLT model, 5.3 liter. So right now the problem with the car is the AC blend door motor. Right now I have it onto the face. You can see I have it onto the face, but there's nothing coming out of the vent on both sides, but there's air coming out at the bottom of the feet where the feet vent is. You can hear the air is coming out from there. Now I'm gonna try to switch it to the leg. Of course, the leg is working. It's still working at the leg. You can hear it. Now try to switch it to the windshield. There's nothing on the windshield, nothing at all. And try it again to the face. Now you can see on the face there's nothing coming out of the vent, nothing at all. Same thing to the passenger side too, nothing at all, but the air stay at the bottom of the feet. So that's mean the blend door motor is bad on the driver's side. Get to the driver's side blend door motor. There's this air tubes that's for the feet. So what you're gonna do is the clip right here. It's right here where the clip goes in. You just use a pry clip, pry it out, and then that way you can pull it out from this tube. Now for this tube, there's a bolt on the side where this bracket is. Right here, you're gonna remove that 7mm, and then you can lower it down a little bit to give you some room to get access to the blend door motor. I can't get this out. I believe this is part of the HVAC box. Now I can move it down a bit to get access to the blend door motor right here. For the connector, you're gonna press on the tab in the back, press on it, pull. And there's two bolts holding on to the blend door motor. This one's a 5mm, and then there's another one on top. I try to use my regular quarter ratchet, and it's too big. I can't fit in. I try to use my special one too, which is the snap-on one, but you can see this one is too short. I can't reach the bolt, and my best option is the 5mm Craftsman micro wrench right here. This is a very tiny wrench. It's a 5.5, so that's 5.5mm. And the bottom bolt I can get to, but the top bolt right here, you can see this space right here. It's very tiny, so I have to sneak my wrench up, put it in the bolt. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but let me try. Oh, there you go. I got it in. Turn the bolt. You just got to do it slowly, turn by turn like that. It's kind of suck, but this is the best way for me to get it. Here I got the top bolt out already, and now let me show you what I mean. So for my regular ratchet, I can't get in because right now I can get in like this, but when there's a bolt inside, I can't have it face the bolt and break it. And for this one, I can get in easily, but then the bolt is too deep. I can't reach it. The socket is too short. I got the bottom bolt out already. Bottom bolt is really easy to get to, and then after that you're gonna remove it. And remember, this whole piece come with the black piece too, where all that gear is. And remember where that white gear, it has a pin, goes into which slot is it. So remember that. You can see here, let me focus. You can see that little white pin right there goes into that slot. So this whole piece is together with the blend door. The blend door motor out. It comes as a whole piece like this. Now let me show you to get this one out. It's a little bit tricky. For the one that goes into this slot right here, it has a pin. It goes in this slot right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna shove a flathead in here, pry that white piece out. So let me show you from this angle. So from this angle right here, you're gonna shove in the flathead, kind of pry it out like this a little bit, so that way you have a little bit of room to slide out the blend door motor. Now I got my new one here I bought. So this is my new one here. There you go. This is the part number, OEM right there. That's the part number. This piece right here, remember I told you guys I thought it was 2 blend door motor, one on the driver, one on the passenger, but I opened the passenger side. That one is for the hot and cold side, not the mode. So the mode side is this one, where it goes down to the feet, the face, or the windshield. So that's the mode side on the driver's side. The one on the passenger side, which is the hot and cold side, I already had that one open. I'll show it to you guys later. Now for that side, I don't need to replace it because the hot and cold still work. This is how the part look like. So it doesn't have that big piece like that one, just the blend door like that. And then this is the part number. This one I bought from O'Reilly, so this is the part number right there. But I'm gonna show you later. Now to put back, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. It's the same thing, it's just the reverse step. So you're gonna pry out that white piece and then slide this blend door up, and make sure that a pin, it slides into this slot right here, so that way when you change it, it can move correctly. I put in the new blend door, reconnect the connector. Make sure you guys check the connector too. Make sure the pin is okay, the wire right here is not broken. And you can see there's air coming out from the top vent now. There you go. This side too, passenger side too. So the old blend door motor is bad. Now I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna switch the mode right here, and then you guys gonna see the blend door motor actually move. I'm gonna try to press the button. There you go. You can see the blend door motor move. There you go. See, I'm gonna hit it one more time. Now it goes down to the feet. You can hear the air blowing right here, coming out from this tube. Coming out from this tube right here. So right now it's going down to the feet. Now I'm gonna switch it again. Hit it again. Now it's going back up to the face. There you go. You see that? Now I just gotta put my top bolt in, and then put back my air tube right here. That's it. Put the top bolt for the blend door motor already. I'll put back the air tube right here too for the feet. And this is where the clip goes for that one. You can see it's right here. And then don't forget to put this bolt back right here where that bracket is for the inside tube. Now I'm going to show you the passenger side. Show you for the passenger side blend door. To get access to it, you're going to remove this cover here on the bottom. So there's 1, 2, 3 bolt. This one's the hard one because it's all the way inside here. Once you take the cover out, you're going to get to the blend door motor here. I already took out the 2 5mm bolts right there. I used the swivel socket right here, 5.5mm, to get the inside one, because the inside one is a little bit tight to get to. For the one that I show you, the wrench, the small mini wrench, that one I fit it in here. I have to do it little by little, but I was able to get it out, both bolts. So one right here, one right here. Now this is for the hot and cold side. Now after you take out the 2 bolts, you can remove the blend door motor. Wiggle it a little bit. So just wiggle it a little bit. There you go. And and you can see, notice how it sit on the groove. This little pin right here is gonna go into this groove right here, but this one's the hot and cold side. So I'm gonna show you on the car here. I'm gonna have it running. So right now it's blowing strong now. I'm gonna lower it a little bit. So right now it's on cold, right? Right now it's on cold, and you see the position of it. It's facing this way, right? And then now I'm gonna switch it. You're gonna see the little motor. It moves. There you go. You can see it's moving slowly. There you go. So this side is the hot and cold side, okay? So now for you, if you're putting in the new one, you have to plug it. So let me show you. So for the new one right here, which is this one, this is the part number for it. This is on the passenger side, okay? So if you're putting in the new one, you can see if it's a little bit hard for you to get it to align with the pin. If it's like this, if you have it like this, let's say if you have it like this, right, on the original, and the new one is sideways, you can see it's sideways like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug the connector in to the new one and switch the hot and cold side. So that way when it turns to the correct position, right away you're gonna unplug it so it stays like that, and then from there you can just slide it into the pin from that one. I'll give you an example of what I mean. So let's say you can see this pin right here is this way, so it's, let me see, it's this way, and my blender is going this way, right? Let me show you. If I put it in, I won't be able to put it in because it's not at the right slot for it to slide in. So you can spin this with hand, but then you don't want to do that because you might throw off the hot and cold side. You'll probably like kind of glitch it or like mess it up, the position of what it was before. So it was hot before, and then all of a sudden you switch it to cold, and you might mess it up. But leave it as it is, and then what you're gonna do is on here. So I'm on the hot. So right now I'm on the hot. You're gonna see it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, I swear. So I'm gonna turn it to AC. Turn both of them. There you go. Turn it down to cold, and you're gonna see the blender motor move. There you go. So once it moved to the correct position, so let me see, I'm not sure. So once it moves to the correct position, what you're gonna do is you're gonna unplug it so it stays in that position. And then if I do it correctly at the spot, I should be able to slide it in. There you go, almost. There you go, just like that. You see how it slides in right away? There you go. So I'm at the right position, and I just slides it right up on it, and then just reconnect the connector, put back the 2 bolts. And you took out the blender motor already, check out the connector too. Same thing, check the wire, check the pin in here, make sure it's not broken or damaged, make sure the wire is not ripped or anything. If it's good, just go ahead and plug it back. I already got 1 bolt in. I got 1 bolt on this side in by hand already. So now I'm just gonna use my tiny wrench again, and then just do it one little by little. I'm gonna check everything again one more time. Turn on the car, turn up the low motor. Yes, and it's strong too. That's really good. Now let me switch to the mode. Check the feet. Yes, there's air coming out from the feet. Check the feet only. Now it's stopped completely because it's going down to the feet, so that's good. See, on the feet you can hear the air coming out from the feet. So let's try windshield. Yes, you can hear from the windshield too, so that is good on the mode. Go back to the face, so that's good too. There you go, back to the face. So again guys, so on the driver's side, that's the mode, okay? So for the feet, the face, or the windshield, but for the passenger side, that's for the hot and cold. Now let me try the hot and cold. Turn off the AC, turn it higher. This thing is weird, I gotta turn up both sides. So there you go, it's slowly going to hot. So that's good. So that's it for this video guys. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you're new to the channel, please help me subscribe. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.